Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Codium on your computer. Codium is a powerful AI-powered code completion tool that helps you write code faster and more efficiently. So let's get started. Now get on the top right corner, select this profile icon. Now scroll down and select this sign up button if you don't have any account. If you have already one, then select on this button right here, or you can log in by typing here your email address and here your password and then selecting on this login button. Now I'm going to log in with my account. So once you have logged into your Codium account, go to the top right corner and select Get Codium. Now select your code editor in which you to do the coding. You can choose Visual Studio Code if you have one. Now select on Quick Install. Now tick this button and select Open Visual Code. Now select on this install button. Now select Allow. Now select Open. Now select Open again. Once the extension is installed, you will need to sign in with your Codium account. Open the extension settings by selecting on this settings icon. Now log in with your credentials you have created earlier. After logging in, configure the extension settings to your preference. You can adjust options like code completion suggestions, language support and many more. And that's it. You have successfully set up Codium on your computer. Start coding and let Codium help you write code faster and more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you again.